to another Sunnyside design video today. We are going to do something a little different today. We are going to decorate my house for Halloween, and we thought it would be fun to take you on a journey with us so you can see how we decorate from start to finish. Starting with Halloween decor in your front yard and your front porch area really is the first step to inviting people into your home. It just kind of sets that festive mood and welcomes them into your home. We just have some simple decorations here with some fresh pumpkins, a lantern full of some more skeleton bones, a simple rug on the porch, and then a life-size skeleton on our bench. He's holding our sign that's welcoming you to the Dead End Breakfast Inn. So he's the man of the show here, welcoming you to the inn. And then we have this adorable skeleton wreath we grabbed from Walmart, and we will have a link for that below. And I had to leave our DIY denim pumpkins out because I've had so many compliments on them, even from our delivery men. So they're just the perfect addition to our Halloween decor. Coming in through our entryway, we have a simple little spread here with some creepy cloth, a little bit of candy corn, our witch's brew recipe, and a couple of fun skeleton silhouettes I picked up from Michael's. Again, we'll have the link for that below. When I decided on the theme for skeletons for Halloween this year, I knew I wanted to make these darling silhouettes for our family portraits. I thought it would just be a fun way to incorporate the skeletons into our family room, and I also found some of these skeleton pieces from Michael's Tuesday Morning. These skeletons in the apothecary jars are just from Dollar Tree, and putting a little bit of Spanish moss in there really makes it look creepy and stand out. And we're so excited to show you some of our tutorials for these fun Halloween crafts that we have made. This DIY X-ray, I found this image from a Google search and printed it up at Office Max, and I love it. My kids love it too. More skeletons from Dollar Tree with a coat of chalk paint on there and distressing with darker paint. It really makes these skeletons stand out. For the coffee table, we used one of my serving platters just to help group all of these items together. And we have some pumpkins in there and some hands, skeleton hands from the Dollar Tree again. And then moving over to our fireplace, we have these fun DIY skeleton busts that I made. I was inspired by some I found in At Home. They were $50 a piece, and I am just not gonna spend that much on a piece of decor, so there will be a tutorial coming on how to make those, and I made both of those for about 20 compared to 100 for the two, so it's great savings. And then we also loved thrifting. We found some of these skeleton pieces at our thrift store as well. I did have to give in and buy these skeletons from at home. They were a lot cheaper though, so it worked out. And I love just putting them in this little mini bread bowl with some Spanish moss. It just really makes it creepy. And we carried this theme over into our dining room as well, just creating a centerpiece on our table with a bag of bones, putting more Spanish moss in there, and then putting some black crows in there that are also from Dollar Tree. And then last, we have candlesticks we found at a thrift store that were rusty and old looking, so it just really made this centerpiece pop. And last, why not surprise your guests with a little bit more decor in your bathroom? This is our half bath, and my mom was gracious enough to let me borrow her fun skeleton mirror this year since she was doing her bat theme. And my kids actually were so excited it was in our house this year. It's one of our favorites. And a little bit of art and a couple more skeleton bones were added to our toilet paper holder to finish the powder room off.
So what do you think? Did you like kind of coming on that little journey with us, seeing how we decorate? We did kind of mess around with it a little beforehand, just so we kind of knew where we were going to put stuff, but hopefully it gave you a little bit of an idea of how we like to balance things and place them. And so let us know how you liked it.
Yeah, and just decorating for the holidays, so we hope you enjoyed that.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching today, and if you have questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and tap the bell to get notifications, and information is about the post will be in the description. And we thank you, and you can also follow us on social media. The links will be below in the description. And here at Sunnyside Design, as always, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.